In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete messages on Dola AI app. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your app and you want to go to the bottom left and tap on chats. In here, you want to go into a chat where you want to delete your messages or just a message. So I'm going to tap on the second one over here. And then in here to delete a message, you want to simply long press on a message, like for example, this one over here. And you want to tap on the more button at the bottom and then you want to tap on delete. Now, whenever you do this, as you can see, you'll be able to select which messages you want to delete. So I'm going to go and check mark a few of these and I'm going to click on delete at the bottom. Now, as you can see, it can be undone. I'm just going to click on delete over here and there we go. Those messages have been deleted. Now, in some cases, there's not going to be a more button. You'll simply be able to see just a delete button without this more option over here. So just tap on that, tap on all the messages you want deleted, tap on delete, and you are good to go, okay? So that's how this works. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.